In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a mail in Gmail. So firstly, open and sign in your Gmail account, and after select mail which you want to delete, like this one. So select it and click on this recycle icon or delete icon. That's it. So very quick method, select that mail and then click on delete. If you want to delete more, so select this checkbox. So about you will see 50 mail are selected. So 50 mail will be selected, and click on this delete icon. And if you want to select all, so here the option select all 63 conversations in primary. Now click on delete. Confirm bulk action. This action will affect all 36 conversations in inbox. Are you sure you want to continue? So click on OK. Now all mail will be deleted like this. Now this box is clean. And if you want to restore, so click on more, and here the option you will see trash, so click on it. Here you will find all mails which you deleted before. If you want to restore, so select that mail and click on move to inbox. So right click and click on move to inbox. And if you want to delete permanently, so select this option empty trash now. That's it. So like this you can delete mails in Gmail. Thanks for watching.